Colin has agreed a short little video on the Kioti DK451C. Let's have a little walk around her. As you can see, she's very tidy. Got grass tyres there. Come to the rear, you have two double acting spool valves. You have Cat 2 3-point linkage, and then your rear PTO, you've got three options in that. You've got 540, 700 or 1000 RPM depending on your implement you're using. As she said, it's got a 45 horsepower engine, 4-wheel drive, full set of front weights. As we agreed within the price, I would do that front mount lens there. Right, let's take you and show you inside the cab and the operations. So we have two gear levers. You've got your high, medium and low, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you'd select what gears you want it in, and then on the steering column here you have a manual shuttle for forward and reverse. So you select your gear range and then use your shuttle forward or reverse. Down here you have a lever for your different options of speed for PTO, 540, 700 or 1000. You have a handbrake, and then over on this side you have two levers here. They're for your double acting spool valves. This is your main lift arms up and down, and this would be your draft control. You have a 4-wheel drive switch there and your PTO on and off there. On the steering column you have your PTO, so you'd select your gear range down there, switch it into manual on there and then press that button there, and then your PTO is working. You have a hand throttle there, your shuttle, gearbox, power steering. You've got an adjustable steering column lever there, foot operational accelerator, yeah, as you can see. And then up here you have air conditioning, your heater, front and rear spotlights and your front wiper. You've got a nice view from inside the cab. Yeah, as you can see, very tidy tractor.